Ever wondered how crypto traders make profitable trades amidst the market's volatility? Welcome to our journey into the thrilling world of crypto trading, where we'll discover the power of technical analysis. This tool, steeped in the study of past price and volume data, holds the keys to predicting future price movements. It's an essential compass guiding traders through the stormy seas of cryptocurrency, helping them make informed decisions. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the art of technical analysis. Technical analysis, a term that sounds complex, but is a game changer in crypto trading. But what is it exactly? Well, technical analysis is like the crystal ball of trading. It's a study of past price and volume data with the aim of forecasting future price movements. Think of it as a way of identifying patterns and trends in the crypto market. Now, why is it so important? The crypto market is known for its volatility. Prices can skyrocket one moment and plunge the next. This is where technical analysis steps in, offering a protective shield. It helps manage risk by providing insights into potential price movements. It's like having a roadmap in a treacherous terrain. Remember, when it comes to crypto trading, it's not about taking wild guesses. It's about making informed decisions. And that's what technical analysis equips you with. With technical analysis, you're not just guessing. You're making calculated decisions. Ready to master the art of technical analysis? Here's how. Imagine technical analysis as a compass guiding your journey through the unpredictable sea of crypto trading. Our first stop is chart patterns. These are like footprints left by market trends. Recognizing patterns like head and shoulders or double tops can give you a lead on possible price movements. Next, we navigate using technical indicators. These are our lighthouses, providing signals about market conditions. Tools like moving averages and relative strength index can alert you to potential trading opportunities. Finally, we learn to backtest and optimize trading strategies. This is our rehearsal before the actual voyage. Backtesting allows you to test your strategies against historical data. By doing so, you can refine your approach and enhance your confidence in your trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your technical analysis skills. What are some proven strategies for successful crypto trading with technical analysis? Well, let's dive right in. Firstly, we have trend following. This strategy involves identifying and following the direction of a market trend. It's a bit like surfing. You want to catch the wave and ride it for as long as possible. Secondly, there's support and resistance trading. This strategy hinges on the concept of supply and demand. Traders identify levels where the price has struggled to break through. These are your support and resistance levels. Next up is breakout trading. Here, traders aim to enter a trade as early as possible in a trend, usually when the price breaks above a resistance level or below a support level. Finally, we have reversal pattern trading. This strategy involves identifying patterns that indicate a potential reversal in trend. Remember, no strategy is foolproof. It's all about using these tools to make educated decisions. So, choose the strategy that resonates with your trading style and market understanding. Every trader makes mistakes, but what if you could avoid the common ones? One common pitfall is ignoring market trends, which can lead to missed opportunities. Also, many beginners over-rely on a single indicator rather than using a combination. This can lead to skewed decision-making. Another frequent misstep is neglecting risk management, which can result in significant losses. So remember, respect the trend, use a variety of indicators, and never forget about risk management. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly increase your chances of making profitable trades. So, what does the future hold for crypto trading and technical analysis? As we venture into an era of digital finance and decentralization, cryptocurrency trading is set to become even more prevalent. The volatile nature of the crypto market will persist, making technical analysis an indispensable asset for traders. Technical analysis, using past price and volume data to anticipate future trends, will continue to be a key tool for navigating the crypto landscape. Its ability to identify support and resistance levels, spot reversal patterns, and manage risk will remain critical in making informed trading decisions. Consider a case study where a trader leveraged technical analysis to make profitable trades. They identified a pattern, waited for the breakout, and executed their trade at the right moment, resulting in substantial profits. This is just one of the many scenarios where technical analysis has led to successful trades. In summary, technical analysis will continue to be an invaluable tool for successful crypto trading. Have you enjoyed our exploration into the world of crypto trading? Are you eager to learn more about technical analysis, profitable strategies, and the future of crypto trading? Then why wait? Subscribe to Crypto Trading Masterclass for more insights. Stay updated with our latest content, be it case studies, tutorials, or trend forecasts. Remember, in the fast-paced world of crypto trading, being informed is the key to success. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this exciting journey. See you in the next video.